guys, I want to tell you about what having Seth here on the ground and coordinating me coming to this whole event, keynoting for LPL Financial, has meant for me as a speaker. It's looking forward to this trip knowing that you're going to have someone watching your back. All of the little details from checking into the hotel and making sure that, the credit card information is there, that you're taken care of, that you're not, landing in a city and getting to a check-in booth at 10 p.m. and they don't have your information. That means that you're able to then get your beauty sleep as a speaker. It means having a person that is dedicated to taking you out to dinner, talking you through, what the client is expecting, walking the venue. This venue is enormous. Seth helped me get to my rehearsal yesterday, introduced me to key people, told me I would love for you to get to know so-and-so so that we can continue growing your partnership and your relationship with this client. It has been a total game changer for me having him on the ground. And it's also been almost like hanging out with a friend because, as you know, the speaking business, you're on the road every week. It can be pretty lonely. So having this familiar face on the ground that is making sure that everything's buttoned up from A to Z, and just this warmth and this charisma with which he greets people, everyone from the AV people all the way up to the decision maker, is just like opening doors for you as you interact with the client to make sure that you can deliver your best effort and results. So I cannot recommend him enough. It is, again, having someone that's going to curate your experience for you to be able to deliver your best, for you to be able to communicate that message that you're so passionate about and really touch people, because ultimately that's why we are in this business. So Seth, gracias, thank you. Oh, and he also does it in several languages, especially very good Spanish, which is a perk for me being bilingual. It just feels like you're working with family. So I cannot recommend him enough. Now we're gonna go in there and kick butt on this keynote. And I know that he's gonna be there watching every step of the way, giving me feedback so that I can be better the next time around.